Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. This is my weekly update on my portfolio. I thought it'd be really cool if I would do it while the market is open so you guys can see the live changes. So as you can see, I decided to invest a little bit of more money. Um, and I'm seeing nice returns as well. The market has been performing very well lately, compared to the past month. So I'm just gonna go through every stock that I have and just tell you my returns on it and just show you my portfolio. So the first one is AMD. Seeing nice returns on AMD with one share, with a return of 11.45. Next one is Google. I have fractional shares at Google, so as you can see there, sorry, on the bottom it says 0.33 shares. I'm seeing a nice return of 9.54. Next one is Amazon with fractional shares as well. 0.35 shares. With a return of 47 something 20. Next one is Apple. One share Apple with a return of 26.67. The next one is AT&T. I'm actually quite disappointed with both AT&T and Bank of America. They're taking quite a long time to take off, and since I bought it in a nice position, but it's been a rocky journey since. So I'm thinking about that. I'll be better off if I sell that stock and just invest it somewhere else. Yeah, Bank of America more or less the same. Only £7, seven of return with three shares. Barrett Developments. I have 15 shares with a return of £9 and 17. I still think that Barrett Developments has a long way up to go, so I'm not really concerned about that. I think that once they start going off, I'm just gonna start seeing nice returns. Next one is Ford. Nice returns on Ford. As you know, Ford hasn't really been doing well for the past years, but I've managed to get in a nice position where I'm able to see nice returns. I'm gonna keep this stock until it goes to $8. After that, then I'll probably sell it. Next one is Microsoft. This is one of the newest players that I have. I have one share in Microsoft. With a return of £4.22. Next one is Moderna, one of my most recent stocks. I've actually just added today. This is a quite recent company, and they operate in the biotechnology and drugs sector. They're quite a recent player in Trading 212, so the trading history is not that long, but they're a new company as well, relatively new company. So I decided to invest in them, and I'm seeing nice returns. I only have one share, and I'm seeing returns of 3.91. Next one is Novax. Novax operates in the healthcare sector as well, doing biotechnology and drugs. So just the same as the previous company, they're relatively new as well. So I decided to buy just one share just to see how it's performing, and both of them are performing very well. So just for you to see, to compare more or less, I invested £142 in Microsoft, and I'm seeing a return of £4, and with only 85 on Moderna, I'm seeing more or less the same. So the company is definitely going to do very well, I believe. Next one is Royal Caribbean. I have 3 shares of Royal Caribbean. Seeing nice returns of 26.82. It was higher somewhere last week, I think. But I think it's just because of what happened with the situation of the virus. But I think it will go back to normal once things start to get normal. Square, seeing nice returns of £4 and 5p. This is one of the companies that I'm actually a little bit disappointed, but I'm willing to keep it on my portfolio because I have high hopes of this company once things start to go normal. I think that they're now starting to see, they're not having as like a fast start as compared to the other companies because the way they operate, they depend a lot on small to medium businesses, and those are the ones that are affected by the virus. So I think that once things start to go back to normal and those business can go back to the way they operated before, then Square is gonna start seeing I'm gonna start seeing nice returns on the investment on Square. And the next one is Tesla. As you know, this is my favorite company on the portfolio. They've just been going up and up and up nonstop. And I think they're gonna be able to surpass their highest level that they were before the virus, which was about $917 easily. And I'm looking forward to doubling my shares, maybe 0.5 more shares to have 2 full shares at Tesla. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. This is my portfolio at the moment. Uh, don't think I'll be making any more changes this week, and if I do, like I said, it will be to AT&T and Bank of America, these two players. I'll be selling them and maybe just increasing my position somewhere else. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting update every week, so the next video should be by the end of this week, just to show you guys how I performed during the week and if I did do any changes. Hope you guys subscribe and like the video, and make sure you share the video as well. Thank you very much, guys.